Before the bell, the market priced a two-way swing of about 0.7% and leaned on one outcome, a friendly inflation number, lifting the S&P towards 7,800. The number came in friendly on every line. The S&P gained 0.25%, stalled more than 30 points below that ceiling, and gave back its first-hour jump for the rest of the day. The one thing that moved hard was fear, down almost 5%. This is the Algo Index market close for Wednesday, the 12th of August. Here is what never hit your screen. Our real-time read of dealer hedging swung from 3 billion negative to 4 billion positive and back to 1.5 billion negative, a $7 billion round trip that moved price almost nowhere. Large flow both ways, absorbed without expanding the range, is what a dampened, positively positioned market looks like from the inside. When the inflation print crushed volatility, dealers had to buy back the futures they held against their short puts. A quiet mechanical bid that can lift a market for days, and its one-off switch is a hot producer number tomorrow. The lifting was one theme, artificial intelligence hardware, while the 10-year refused to rally, and a shut Strait of Hormuz sat priced at zero. The loudest single-name conviction was a stock refusing to break underweight that usually breaks stocks. On Monday, Intel announced a $20 billion share sale at $95, the kind of supply that caps a name for weeks. Instead, it held 95, rallied 3%, and closed back above its $100 gamma strike on positive flow. Above it sits a 63,000 contract long call line at the 120 strike, the objective the options market has drawn. One company absorbed a real overhang and cleared its own line, and the paper above says somebody expects more. Open the Algo Index Trading Journal for nothing over at members.algoindex.com/auth/signup. And every setup you log is graded against the exact price on your screen the instant you commit. To see how the dealer levels we call each night actually behaved, held, or broke, that record stays public at algoindex.com/tools/gamma level accuracy. Tonight's full written rep is at algoindex.com/blog. Get some rest, keep the 8:30 producer number circled, and I will meet you back here once it has printed.